dbConnect software. This software is used to transfer the database between scale computer, scale indicator, and the PC. So you can see the screen over here. This is your scale indicator IP address. Then you can choose the database, which database you want to read or write. This database name may not the same as yours, depends your configuration. So first time when you press test button, you will send a command to the indicator and the indicator responds. So when you press test button, indicator will show test connection and a beep. Also, scale computer will show scale ready, means connection no issue at all. So next, if you try to read the database from scale indicator, then you can choose database. For this case, I just choose truck database and press read. Then it will ask you to the file name. So for example, I just use truck. Let's press save. Because this file exists already, press yes. You will send a command to you see, ZM will show it has 9 records. It will create file and transfer file to here. Then you see that it's saved to this file. Then we can open this file. It will show all the file. There are 9 trucks. Also, we can write this CSV file to the scale indicator. Choose the database name, write, then choose truck, press open. You see the indicator get a file. It will re-import this to indicator database. After done, indicator will PC will show complete. Also show result. Press log file result. Then you can see the file. All the record has been done. Next very important thing is when you finish your transaction in the scale indicator, you want to upload or read from indicator and save to the computer. So then you choose complete database, press read, and choose the file, press save. If exists, you can choose different name or overwrite. And then you can see the indicator, right now the indicator no database, no transaction in the memory. Then you still save complete CSV file, but this file only has a header, no transaction, because there's no in the database. Also, you can see here, you see this here, this 0000 means there's no transaction saved to in the memory. But after you run transaction, this count should increase 1. Then you should able to upload or call read from indicator and save to a CSV file. Thank you for your watching. If you have question, let me